In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to start generating passive income with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, the strategy that I'm about to show you on this video, I'm going to be taking Cpagrip as an example, but keep in mind you can use other CPA network like Hardwork Media, CPA Lead, or whatever CPA network you decide to go with. So what you are going to do once you come over to cpagrip.com, you want to head over to the URL file lockers, and then you want to click on this create new URL locker. So once you do that, you want to agree to terms of service and you want to click on continue. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. But however, before you proceed creating your content locker, you want to head over to this website called pdfdrive.com. And what we are doing on this website is very simple. We are going to be picking an ebook that we are going to be putting behind a content locker where people have to complete CPA offers before they can access this ebook. So basically, for those who don't know, PDF Drive is a website that hosts millions of ebooks that you can download for absolutely free. As you can see right here, over 83 million ebooks are available to download for free. All right. So if you don't have an idea of a niche to work with, as you can see, you can come over to the right-hand section of the page to get an idea of a niche to work with. But for this video, I'm going to be taking the make money online niche as an example. And all you just need to do is to type in keywords related to that niche in the search bar. So as you can see right here, make money online. So once you do that, you are going to see ebooks that are available for you to download for absolutely free. As you can see, I can download this ebook right here, or this one right here, or I can scroll down and basically look through any of these ebooks that I can download and give away for absolutely free. Okay, so basically I'm going to take the first one here as an example, and all you just need to do is to click on this ebook to download it. And here you can see you have two buttons. You can preview what the content of this ebook is, or you can basically download it right away. And once you do that, as you can see, it's going to begin downloading to your device right away. So once it's completely downloaded, you want to head over to this website where you want to upload this downloaded ebook. Okay, you can use easyupload.io, or you can use mediafire.com. So all you just need to do is to click on this upload files now. So once you do that, you want to basically upload the ebook to mediafire.com and you want to grab the download link. So once you grab the download link, you want to go back to your Cpagrip account, and all you just need to do is to click on this locked URL and you want to paste in the download link right here. So basically you want to come over to this template section and you want to select any template of your choice right here. And then you want to come back to the general section and you can give your locker a name. So once you're done creating your content locker like this, and people come over to this page, and once they click on this begin download, as you can see, they are going to be shown CPA offers. And once they complete these offers, they will be redirected to this link where they can download it for free. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on save. Then you want to come over to this section and you want to click on get links and you want to copy your content locker link. So now once you do this, the next step is to go over to canva.com, and I'm going to show you how to use canva.com to create a landing page that you are going to use to earn money with content lockers. So you want to come over to this section that says create a design, and once you come over here, you want to scroll down to where it says website. So once you come over here, Canva is going to show you a lot of templates from this section that you can use for absolutely free to create a landing page. So basically you want to scroll down here and you can find any template of your choice, or you can create a landing page from scratch. So I'm going to be taking this one as an example, and all you just need to do is to click on any of the templates you want to use right here. Okay, so once you do this, all you just need from here is to basically edit this template. So once you come over here, you can go over to pexels.com to grab any image in your niche. All right, so since we are taking the make money online as an example, all I just need to do is to type in make money online in the search bar, and I can use any of these free images. So once you've downloaded the image you want to use, you want to click on this upload section. So once you do that, you want to basically upload the images you just downloaded. You want to edit the text to something like start making money today with no traffic, no skills, make $138 a day, and you want to change the button to click here. So once they click on this button, it's going to take them to the content locker. So for this section that says make 138 a day, I want to basically change it to a different color so that it stands out. So you want to click on it and then you want to change the color to, let's say, something like a green. All right, so as you can see right here, it stands out more on this landing page. So now you want to select the click here button, and this is where you want to add your link. Okay, so basically you want to right click on this. So once you right click on this, you want to click on this section that says link, and this is where you want to paste in your content locker link. So once you do that, you want to click on enter. As you can see, it says link added. So this is how easy you can create a landing page on Canva. And for this section, you can change it to something like money time or whatever you can think of. Okay, so once you're done, you want to click on this publish website. So once you click on that, you can use a custom domain if you want to do that, or basically you can use the free domain provided to you by Canva. So depending on whatever you want to use, if you want to use the free domain or you want to purchase a new domain, whatever option you want to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to give your landing page a name. All right, so I'm going to take XBM as an example. You can give your website a description if you want, but it's not necessary. All you just need to do is to click on publish. So now, as you can see, it's preparing your landing page. So you want to come over to Quora.com and you want to type in keyword like how to make money online. So once you type this on Quora, you are going to see a lot of questions people are asking every day on how to make money online. And basically this ebook right here has provided a lot of information for beginners that they can get started with to start earning money online. So all you need to do from here is to basically copy each of these questions right here, and I'm going to show you how to do this correctly. So once you copy this link, you want to head over to this website. So this website has an inbuilt AI that will help you answer all these Quora questions for absolutely free. So all you need to do is to basically click on start writing. So once you do that, it's going to basically ask you to create an account with your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or your email. So once you create your account, you want to come over to this section. So once you come over here, you want to click on this section that says choose use case, and you want to select that, and you want to click on this blog section writing. So once you do that, this is where you want to paste in the Quora question. And once you do this, you want to click on write for me. And as you can see right here, it's going to basically generate the answer to this question right here. So all you just need to do is to copy this answer right here, and you want to basically go back to Quora. So all you just need to do is to click on answer. So basically before you paste in the answer, you want to go to the top of your answer, and then you want to paste in something like this. Okay, I recommend this guide for anyone who needs the fastest way to earn money online. Then you want to click on this font icon, then you want to click on this link. So once you do that, then you want to go back and copy the link to your landing page, and then you want to go back to Quora, and this is where you want to be pasting that link, and you want to click on add. So once you do that, as you can see right here, it's going to preview the link, and all you just need to do is to click on post. You want to repeat the same strategy by copying all of these questions, then paste them on write.me to give you the answers to this question, and basically add the link to your content locker. So basically the more questions you answer, the more traffic you are going to get to this landing page, and the more money you are going to earn. So basically this is a powerful strategy that you can use as a beginner by using Quora to drive traffic to your Canva landing page. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on any of the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to earn money online. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.